Hello everyone, today I will show you how to use widgets on iPhone home screen, iOS 18, and here's how it is done. First, ensure your iPhone is updated to iOS 18. Go to Settings, General, Software Update to check if you are on the latest version. Unlock your iPhone and go to the home screen where you want to place the widget. Tap and hold an empty area on your home screen or any app icon until the apps start jiggling. Once the apps are in jiggle mode, tap on Edit and click Add Widget to open the widget gallery. Scroll through the available widgets or use the search bar at the top to find specific widgets for apps like Calendar, Weather, Notes, or third-party apps that support widgets. Tap on a widget to preview its preference sizes, small, medium, large, and choose the one that suits your layout. Once you have selected the size and type of widget, tap Add Widget. The widget will automatically appear on your home screen. You can move it around by dragging it to the desired position. Some widgets are customizable. Tap and hold the widget, then select Edit Widget to customize information, such as specific reminders, calendar events, or weather locations. iOS 18 allows you to create smart stacks by stacking multiple widgets of the same size. To do this, drag and drop a widget of the same size on top of another widget. You can scroll through the stack by swiping up or down in the stack widget. To remove a widget, tap and hold it, then select Remove Widget. To rearrange, enter Jiggle Mode and drag the widget to a new location on the home screen. By following the steps, you can easily personalize your iPhone home screen with widgets, allowing quick access to the information you use most often. That is everything you need to know about how to use widgets on iPhone home screen. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.